loves, it's Sam. So before we get into this video, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys for the winter FabFitFun box. It's going to be with the kids. They're currently home with me until they start their new school. So we're still trying to adjust to the time change. So they have a few more days home with me. So today they will be in the video with me. It's a little bit chaotic. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. Hi loves, it's Sam.
And Phoenix.
And Lily. And today we're very excited. The kids are currently home with me. They are not starting school this week. So we're gonna be all doing the FabFitFun box unboxing today. Yay. Phoenix hasn't done one in a very long time.
What? I never done one.
Have you never done one?
No.
Oh.
It's my first time.
Holy moly, are you excited?
What's wrong with you? I've never done one before.
Okay, so this is the FabFitFun winter box. We are super duper excited. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's going to be SAM in capital letters, and that's going to save you $10 off. So hold on, don't open it yet. And I know. So this means that you will get the box for $39.99 instead of $49.99 if you haven't signed up already. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a lifestyle box. They have lifestyle, beauty, sometimes home stuff, fitness, snacks. There's all sorts of good things. So the winter box is supporting the Kindness Factory, which promotes and encourages kindness or acts of kindness around the community. So that's really nice. And shall we get started, guys?
Yeah.
We are just dying to see what's in here. They've already started opening it up. So this is what the box looks like. So it is very cute. It's got some, what is she doing? Oh, they're sitting down by the fireplace and they're all cozy and cute. Very winter appropriate. So let's see here. Inside, Lily is very, oh cute. It says FabFitFun find, oh, every time I do this. FabFitFun find your cozy. I always forget that you guys are in the videos with me. So as always, you get a little pamphlet that tells you exactly what is in your box, what everything is worth. Sometimes it has little recipes. What is that? What does that say, Phoenix?
$10 coupon.
Oh, a $10 off coupon. Oh, that's like to give to a friend. That's cool.
Yeah, I like
Very
it.
nice. This one has your ultimate guide to essential oils. What else does it have in here? A little kind of questionnaire with Brooke Burke. What else have we got in here?
Why do you like this?
Oh, we also got a $60 gift card to HelloFresh.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
we love HelloFresh, don't we?
It's our favorite.
Woohoo! Okie doke. Well, cool. Okay, so that's what you get. This is not wanting to focus, is it?
Yep.
So the very first thing that I see here is, oh my goodness, what is this, guys? This is a Mark and Graham personalized gifts. Do you want to open that up for me while I find out what it is? Don't open anything else yet, Lily. It says that you'll get a Mark and Graham Color Block Pro in either gray ivory, which is the one that we got. Oh, do you want to demonstrate that? Here, I'll wrap you around it. Here, sit down. Oh, this is so soft. Kind of like ivory and gray mixture. Oh, and it has like little fringe. How cute is that? Is that soft? Oh, you look cozy. You just need to sit by the fireplace now. Okay, that is really soft. That retails for $49. So right there, you have just paid for your entire box. If you use my coupon code, you will get it for $39.99, and this is $49 retail. So you just basically, boom, you're done. You're in the money. You'll get either a natural ivory or a gray ivory. Ours is the gray ivory. That's so cute. Okay,
and comfy.
Is it comfy?
I don't want to get it off.
Okay, he doesn't want to get it off. Okay, Miss Lil, do you want to show the next thing? Okay, what is this? So this is, let me see here, the Lily Sadoi. Ooh, Sadui. I don't know how you say her name. This is also worth $49. You'll either get a jewelry portfolio, a Lust dry shampoo from Oribe. It's either Oribe or Oribe, or you'll get this necklace. So shall we open this and see what it looks like? You want to open it? Okay. And this says it is a circle necklace. Oh, that's cute. So it's like a nice big circle necklace. Shall I put it on? Or do you want to wear it, Lil? You want to wear it? Oh, you want me to? Okay. I'll put this on. Looks like we've got some more cozies.
Ooh, that paw.
Oh, look, that's cute. I like that necklace. That's pretty. Okay, so Miss Lil's found one more thing that looks cozy. This is by Bear Paw. Yeah, go ahead. If you guys know, Bear Paw is kind of expensive, so you'll either get the Bear Paw combo set, which is a headband and a pop top glove duo, or you'll get the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. And these ones retail for $45. So again, just this item alone pays for your whole entire box. It's a headband. You're gonna come in the video? No one can see you. Do you want to put it on?
Oh yeah, that's
You
nice.
want to put it on?
Yeah. But it doesn't go on your whole body.
No, but it does go on your. Oh wow, this is.
It does go
so
on your head.
Cozy. Oh, look how cute Lily looks. Your little ears are nice and cozy now. Do you want to try on the gloves?
This kind of matches me.
It does. Okay, let's see here. This one goes on this hand. Oh, you're so cozy. Or you can put the little mitten part on them. How do I get it?
Oh yeah, that's exactly what.
Yeah, you had those.
I think I still have them.
You do.
But Phoenix, it's my turn. I know, but I just want to see how they are.
There we go. Keep put on your mittens.
To get on, but
You naughty kitten. Wow, those are fun.
Can I see?
Okay. He wants to try it, and then he'll give you the glove back. How are those?
These are exactly
cozy?
how I have them.
Oh, so cozy. You guys are like ready for winter now. Okay, you got to give her glove back since you have the blankie. These actually fit you.
I know they
How are your hands so big? Okay, Miss Lil, get in there, baby.
You have to have.
We did it wrong.
Mom. You have to have the little
on the
flip
top.
side on the top.
God.
It's
I don't know
difficult.
how to do mittens, do I?
I do.
Phoenix wears mittens all the time. Okay,
Oh, yes,
there you go.
every
Miss Lil, you gotta keep your headband on, chicken. We're being cozy, it's winter.
But they're pretty hard to get on.
Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so those are a thumbs up so far, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a thumbs up.
Next thing, this looks very, this is Anthropology. Fancy. Anthropology is like a super expensive brand. This is the Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream.
Ooh, Sea Whip.
The packaging kind of looks like mermaid, like holographic. This is an either or, so you would either get the essential oils from Way of Will.
Another cozy thing.
You put it back, hold on, we're talking about this one. Or you'll get the Anthropology times Mercy & Co. Sea Whip Body Cream and Coconut Sugar. This retails for $24. You guys, I think we all need to try it out.
Yeah.
What do you think? Shall we give it a little... Oh, hold on a minute. Let's take off the little top. I love this packaging so much. It's so cute.
It's so beautiful.
I'm so excited for my gloves. You look really cute in that. You should wear that.
Mom, I actually want those gloves.
Do you?
Yeah, they look so nice.
Well, what will I do? You want me to freeze to death?
No, it says, I don't know. I mean, I think I know what they are, but they might fit.
This smells so good.
I mean, I'll try to find them and see if they still fit
That
me.
smells coconut and sugary. Doesn't it smell like coconut vanilla? Oh, that's nice. It rubs into the skin really quickly and absorbs really fast. So it's not like one of those things where you're just like rubbing forever. I hate those kind of lotions.
Yeah.
What do you think, Lil?
Good.
Oh, I smell like vanilla sugar.
So do I.
Oh, so good. How about you, Lily Billy?
Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You look moisturized. Yeah, see, it's already absorbed. Good, right? How do you like it? How do you like it? How do you like it? Okay, thumbs up. How do you like it? How do you like it? Okay, we have another cozy item. These are
Mama,
what?
It's my turn.
Oh, I'm sorry. These are the over-the-knee socks from Richer Poorer Reina.
Oh, I bet they
And this is the... Oh, you're gonna... They're just stealing all my stuff. These are worth $24 if you were to buy them retail. And it says for extra warmth, wear the socks over leggings or tights with knee-high boots.
I only have 3
things, and here's the whole entire blanket.
It's not actually his. We're just playing with it for this moment.
Yeah.
We're gonna all share.
Oh,
wow, they're so long.
They're so beautiful.
These would be as long as your leg, Phoenix.
Oh yeah, it actually.
They are over the knee socks. So they're basically, this might be a bit big for you. Oh, he really is gonna go for it. He's going for it. Okay, well, he's gonna go for it. While you're doing that, we'll move on to the next thing, shall we, Lil Bill?
Yes.
Okay. This is the black eye mask. Okay, go ahead. Do you want to show it? Okay.
You can talk about
Okay, this is the black eye mask and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so this comes in every single box. You get the black hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Oh, they're basically like little eye masks that you can put underneath your eyes. I love these type of eye masks. They're so good and they're so relaxing. Okay, and then you also get this item in every single box. This is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. And this is a skincare item. And that's what it looks like. So it's got that really nice kind of aqua green. And it says this is $33. It's enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. So it says use it as a 3-minute hydration boost or as an overnight sleeping mask. So that's really good if you are needing some kind of hydration and a little bit of moisture in your skin. Shall we smell this one, guys? Let's see it. He's still working on his socks over here. It really doesn't smell like anything. Do you smell it?
No.
I don't smell it. It doesn't really have a scent.
Really good scent. I mean, it kind of has a coconut scent.
I think that's my hand.
No.
No? Okay.
I smelled a coconut scent.
The next item is also in every box. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. Infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil, this silky champagne eye brightener instantly hydrates and brightens your eyes. Highlight the inner corners of your eyes for a brightening effect. And I think it's like a little pen. Miss Lil's gonna open it for us, and I think you would just basically put it in your inner corner right there, just to kind of like, I always put like a brightener in the inner corner just to kind of brighten your eyes. It makes you look more awake. Oh, so can we show that packaging? So it looks like this, and then, oh yeah. So it basically just, oh, it's kind of like a little shimmery stick, right? Do you want to try it on your hand? Do you want to swatch? Oh, it's actually really like lightweight, very kind of like, almost like a powdery cream. And it goes into the skin, but it's given like a really pretty glow. She's drawing a smiley face. Wow, that's cute. Kind of hard to see, huh? It's pretty bright outside right now. So basically that's definitely something that I would use in the inner corner, brow bone, and probably your cupid's bow as well, or even like down the center of your nose. So that's a really nice kind of like champagne-y gold color. Looks really pretty. She's trying to show the hand. My camera doesn't want to focus lately. It's being difficult. Then we have an either or product. This is going to be either the lipstick in meringue from Bite Beauty, or you'll get a chic and tonic all coast that 4-piece coaster set, or you'll get the Brooke Burke body sliders. So there's the lipstick. Oh, that's totally my color too. It's like a really gorgeous pinky nude. Yes, I feel like I always get like red lipsticks or colors that I would like never wear in these. And this is so my color. It's like the color I'm already wearing. Okay, the color is beautiful. And then I'll just show you a close-up of the little pencil. Did you put it back in here? This camera is having such a difficult time focusing. There's so much going on. And that's what it looks like. So you can see it's kind of just like a really nice glow. And it's not super shiny or super glossy. It's just kind of like a nice satin lip color. And I'm just gonna blend this out. It doesn't feel thick or anything. Okay, Phoenix, stand up and let's see those socks, baby. Stand up right over here behind me.
Here's the sock.
Oh, yes. Look at those socks.
Yeah, they're very nice.
Yeah, look at those legs. Is that cool or what?
I like them.
Yeah, those are cool. Are they soft?
They're super like, kind of like, it's kind of hard to describe. It's kind of like leathery.
Leathery?
Uh-huh.
Like knit? Kind of like a...
Yeah, it's
like
exactly
knit?
like that. But with no softness in it. But it makes it super comfy.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
it definitely keeps you pretty warm.
Does it? You feel cozy? So now if you just put your blanket on too?
I'd be like a cozy.
Hiya!
Yeah.
Oh, look at him.
Yes.
He is cozy. I want to snuggle up in this blanket with some tea. I just can't find my kettle. I have so much to unpack for the kitchen,
Mom,
guys.
I bet it's in the lawnmower one.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, that's right.
We gotta find our kettle. So I haven't had a cup of tea in like days. I really need a cup of tea.
So do
But I
I.
can't find my kettle, and I can't find my mugs.
I'm thirsty.
They act like I'm starving them out here. We just went and had
But
Panera.
I
No.
still have
You had a huge
it.
cinnamon roll.
No. Well, I still have some.
Well,
of
there you
it.
go. You've got a good old
I'm
snack.
I might actually go get it.
And you could have your blanket on and eat your cinnamon roll. If we find the kettle, have some yummy, warm, cozy drink.
But I'm still hungry.
Okay, well, I feel like that was a great box, right?
I liked it.
A lot of really cozy things.
I love this.
That lotion smells and feels really nice. The blanket, I would have to say, is my favorite piece because it's really unbelievably soft. It's super cozy. And it's a nice, like, lightweight blanket.
You can.
And then I think this is really cute. Do you like this, Lily?
Yes.
The bear paw gloves and the little headband, that's really cute as well because that's super cozy. And I feel like especially when you're like going and doing like holiday like festivities with the kids, it's a lot of the time you're outside like for Christmas tree lights or that kind of stuff. So this would be something that would be cute because if you didn't want a full-on hat, you could still keep your ears kind of cozy, right? Do you feel cozy? Yeah? It looks very cute on you. You could wear it if you like. Would you borrow it from me?
I borrowed this
Maybe.
from you.
You would borrow that from me. And then this lipstick, I'm like so excited because most of the time boxes always have darker lipsticks and I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna wear that. And this is totally my color. Like I'm already loving it and it smells so good. What does that smell?
I don't know.
Phoenix, what does it smell?
It's kind of like a strawberry raspberry scent.
Okay, is that what you think?
But with sugar.
But with
Yeah.
sugar? Yeah, it's really, it's nice. It's a really good scent. So I'd say it's a thumbs up for sure. I'm super excited to try those eye masks as well because I love eye masks. They're always really great to order one and then give the items as separate gifts to people. Like this alone, just this little headband and the gloves would be a great gift. And there's one person off of your list. And then the blanket, again, you could get a blanket and then just go and buy a little candle somewhere. That would be a really cute gift. So it's really great if you are, you know, like thinking like, hey, you know what? I probably won't use all the items in here. Then you can gift the other items that you get. And like, they're really nice pieces and they always are worth over $200. So it's a really, really good box for your money. You're spending a lot less than what you would spend if you were to buy everything separately. I love FabFitFun, always do. They're always super great. I feel like this one was really, really good. Super cozy, very festive. Like you can tell it's a winter box, right?
I can tell because it has all kinds of wintery designs.
Snowflakes, and like we got the coziest things, didn't we?
Yeah, these are the coziest things you could get.
I know, I love them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching my little ear muffed girl and my cozy blankied boy with my big knee-high socks on. You're stealing all my good stuff. I hope you guys all have a wonderful holiday. I know that Thanksgiving is coming up, what, next week? Next week?
Yeah, next week.
Holy moly.
Oh, and we're starting a new school.
Yeah.
I'm very excited for it.
We went and did our school tour today and they were really excited. Mainly Phoenix. Lily's a little bit more nervous because she's quite shy. But Phoenix said that he was so excited he felt like he was crying inside because he was so happy to go.
Yeah, I was super.
Yeah, your friends, they looked so nice, right? There were so many nice kids. And your teacher gave him 2 hugs, which he was very happy about because he said she's a super nice teacher. And what else did you like about it? The computer lab?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, and the library was really, really cool.
Yeah, it was huge.
Yeah, and what did you like about your school?
Paint.
She liked the paint. She liked the art studio. Yeah? Did you like the library? Yeah, that was really cool too, huh? And did you think your teacher was nice? She seemed really nice. Thank you guys. We love you all so very much. We hope you guys give this a big
Thumbs up!
thumbs up. Enjoy our video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and you can always go follow me on Instagram as well. It's just Sam Sherman, and I'll see you guys in my next. Can I have it? Oh, you know what? I want to try this on. We'll see you in my next video.
Put this.
Does it look cute on me, or is it cute on?
It looks cute.
Wait,
on you
I don't
too.
know if my bangs are looking silly. Hold
They're
on.
looking pretty silly.
Oh,
Oh, that looks better.
dude, I can't even see those.
Yeah, just put those in. That happens to me with my hats all the time.